Malcolm X, born Malcolm Little on May 19, 1925, in Omaha, Nebraska, was an African-American revolutionary, minister, and civil rights activist influenced by his family's civil rights involvement. After his father's death and his mother's hospitalization, he and his 6 siblings entered foster care. He became involved in crimes and was imprisoned for 10 years, where he was inspired to read and join the Nation of Islam, NOI. After leaving prison in 1952, he adopted the name X, ministered in Temple 7 in Harlem, met and married Betty Sanders in 1958. They had 6 daughters together. He promoted NOI teachings and increased membership from 500 in 1952 to 50,000 until 1963. He had inspired Muhammad Ali to join NOI. On March 8, 1964, he left the NOI due to disillusionment with its leader. Malcolm founded the Muslim Mosque Inc, an Organization of Afro-American Unity, OAAU, and held meetings at the Audubon Ballroom in Washington Heights. He traveled to the Mecca and soon converted to the Sunni faith. After leaving NOI, Malcolm repeatedly received death threats, and on February 14, 1965, his home in East Elmhurst, New York was firebombed. He was assassinated on February 21, 1965, at the Audubon Ballroom. Unity Funeral Home in Harlem held his public viewing on February 23 to 26. It was attended by some 14,000 to 30,000 mourners. His funeral was at Faith Temple Church of God in Christ on February 27, 1965, where Ossie Davis gave his eulogy. Malcolm was buried in the Ferncliff Cemetery in Hartsdale, New York.